Oh. He said, "Ho, is you okay?" To the comments. Never in my 9 lives. I swear, they are human. Pull away with every cop. Girl, you better not take one of my lives. Real Puss in Boots right here. You should, get that checked. The judgment was real. Have me. Oh, that's not. Oh, no. Sometimes I wonder if they can literally speak. Is it contagious? You seem not okay. He's evaluating your chances of survival. Yep, I'll stay away. Excuse you? She's judging you for real. Absolutely. Immediately no. Immediately no. Oh, okay. Yeah, so, you need to get to the vet, girl.